not used to doing this with my right hand. Alright, so we got a new intake we're going to install. So I think it's a Chinese knockoff of the K&N, but should still work. So if I can get this off. Alright, so we're gonna have to undo this, get the mass airflow sensor, but let me go get the intake first. Alright, I would be doing this on the hottest day of the whatever, but so we got filter, got the pipe, we got this thing, a little shield, vacuum hose, bunch of clamps, little elbow, and this stuff I believe it's just the shields and stuff. So I think I'm gonna build this this casing first. So I'm gonna figure out how to do that. Alright, so you just wanna get these nuts and bolts put on here. So we're done with this for now. I'll set it over here. And then now we can start taking this apart. So we can unhook the mass airflow sensor, put that over there, and then just start taking everything apart. And of course, got some more little brackets here. This all should pop out. There we go. This should come apart. Okay, and we just gotta undo this. So as you can see, it's just like, it's kind of like a little muffler almost. Keeps it nice and quiet. Now we can take the air box out. There's the air box that's out of there. Now this should go right here. Yeah, so there's two bolts that go right there for that. And then that should bolt right on. I do believe these are 10 millimeters. No, they're not. This one up here is a 10 millimeter. So we'll take that out. I wasn't paying attention. Those are 10 millimeter. This one's 13. So it's a 13 up here, 10 millimeter down there. It's getting spicy, but we got this hooked up. Shields on. Now we just got to tighten down this mass airflow sensor. If you guys have this Milwaukee, I think it's like 14 in one. Comes with everything you need, really. So we're gonna tighten these down. So this is the mass airflow sensor. Good. So you can see the cold air comes from underneath the bumper, gets sucked up in here. So we're going to plug the mass airflow sensor back in. You got your vacuum hose right here. Mass airflow sensors right here. So we're going to plug this in. Make sure that's plugged in. And now we can start her up. Alright, I got the remote start. Or what's not working. Let's see. It looks good. Let's give her a little rev. See what it sounds like now. definitely sounds like a little bit more grumbly. Okay, we're gonna take her for a little spinny spin. Yeah, I have the muffler delete too, so I feel like noise-wise, you're not really gonna hear a difference. We'll see. Okay. I don't know if it's just like placebo effect, but that definitely feels a lot smoother. Feels a little bit quicker. Definitely does. That's crazy. This is definitely not a placebo effect because it's not like it's a noise thing. It just feels smoother. And my AC's on, so let's see. See if we turn the AC off. See if that makes a difference. It definitely feels like smoother. Yeah, I don't know. It definitely picked up some power. I don't know. Like I said, I could just be tripping myself out, but it just feels way smoother. That definitely feels better. That's crazy. And it's like 100 degrees out, so I'm sure at night it'll feel a little bit better too, sucking in colder air.